Hey there guys, so in this video we're going to be covering my room in the middle of the Da'an District of Taipei, Taiwan. The location is awesome and I got this at a fairly decent price. It's about 15,500 new Taiwan dollars every month, which is about 500 US dollars a month. Pretty reasonable for the area, and given the scope of the room, I think it's quite worth it. So let's just jump into this. First thing we're looking at is the bed. So I think this is a twin size bed, you know, pretty cozy. It came with the mattress, the bed, when I moved in, so that was really nice. So I just had to throw some sheets on there and a mattress protector and all that good stuff. Yeah, and then that was settled. What's nice about this bed is that within it is a space for storage. So it's really cool. It's hinged so that on one side it opens up and then, you know, you can throw in whatever you need to throw in, you know, your typical stuff, suitcases and just like bags, whatever you need. So that's really cool. It keeps things out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. And then next is the area right next to my bed. I guess I consider this my night table of sorts. It's just right on top of my fridge. This is the area where I have my little blender where I make green smoothies. I got my water here. This is also, I guess, my station for charging my phone. I got my remote here for the AC. Pretty much speaks for itself. It's really nice there. I got this fridge, came with the room, of course. It's you know, reasonably sized, and you know, I can manually adjust the level of cooling that is produced in the fridge, so that's nice, you know, if I don't want to like pay too much for electricity or whatever, and if I don't have anything in the fridge, then I'll probably just unplug the thing or turn that dial to 0. And so there's also like a freezer kind of compartment on the top. And then now the coolest part of this room, I think, is this desk, right? So it's kind of attached to the wall and surrounded by windows, which is really cool. You know, I get a lot of sunlight in. I think it kind of entices me to just get outside and go do things. So that's something that I really like about that desk. It's huge too. A lot of space to just throw my stuff on, but I keep things neat. So yeah, as you can see, I got my laptop here, and then behind the laptop we have this nice bulbous lamp, and it sets the mood. On the side I got my typical, you know, vitamins, little holder for whatever I need, and then that's just my camera case. And then of course we have drawers within the desk, and these are actually a lot bigger. I don't know if the recording does it justice here, but these drawers can hold quite a bit. I was surprised. On the rightmost drawer I have quite a large plate just like in there. Usually if I want to have like dragon fruit or something, I just take that right out and I cut up some dragon fruit. So anyways, that's that. And then plenty of other stuff in there. Underneath my desk I have this little shelf that I'm renting from my landlord. It's nice and convenient. I could put a lot of stuff there, which of course I have, and you know, it just keeps things out of the way. Of course, right next to that I got some food, chia seeds, pistachios, oatmeal. My backpack is set to the side with a little garbage, and then we got this big closet storage space over here. I try and keep it nice and organized in there. On top of the closet I just have my suitcase sitting there, and I've put down some hangers along the side of the closet just so I can, you know, hang whatever I need, like my stuff for yoga or my laptop case, for example. And my decorations for the closet are quite minimal at this point. I just have a picture that my sister Molly gave me just hanging there. It's of myself and my sister and my brother. Then there's like, I don't know, some like sun thing, because, you know, just gotta look real sunshiny and happy in this room, you know what I'm saying? So that's the mood I'm trying to set. Yeah, and then we have this big bathroom, because I was in 2 rooms prior to this as like temporary rooms, which was cool. I got to experience, you know, the different atmospheres of different kinds of rooms, different sizes, and one of the rooms had like a bathroom where the shower head was legitimately right on top of the sink. So it was a very awkward situation for the couple of weeks that I had that room. I'm glad that I have this bathroom. Lots to do lots to do in this one. And then of course we have our toilet where all the goodness happens. And then there's a nice clean mirror where you can see my handsome mug. And yeah, I think that covers it for this room, guys. Nothing out of the ordinary for an apartment. I think it's quite nice, considering that it's in the middle of Taipei City. It's right next to a PX Mart and a 7-Eleven and tons of different shops and restaurants. I'm really, really grateful to be here. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. So this video has been all about me pretty much. So what I want you guys to do, if you can for me, is comment down below how your experience is wherever you are in the world, and talk about it. You know, maybe if you're coming to Taiwan in any kind of regard, then throw down in the comment section some little tidbit, something we can read, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, make love to that subscribe button and that like button, and, you know, treat it like, you know, they're candy, and I don't know where this is going, so I'm gonna end the video.